Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the source object first, then the target. This order matters because Maya maps connections from left to right. Once done, freeze transforms and delete history to avoid unexpected inputs. Make sure pivots are where you need them so constraints behave predictably. Now open the connection editor or hypergraph hierarchy. You'll see attributes listed on both sides. This is how you establish direct links instead of parenting. You're preparing clean inputs, so connections remain stable and editable. You load the source node into the left panel and the target into the right. This lets you map exactly which attributes flow. Once loaded, click individual attributes to create direct connections, translate, rotate, scale, or custom channels. Make sure to add utility nodes like multiply, divide when you need scaling or unit conversion. Condition nodes help with thresholds and logic. This middle step is where precision matters, because wrong mappings produce flipped or doubled transforms, so take a moment to verify each link visually. You finalize by testing. Keyframe a simple translate or rotate on the source and scrub the timeline to confirm the target follows. Once satisfied, lock or hide channels you don't want edited and tidy the node graph in the node editor for clarity. If things go wrong, like flipped rotation or doubled transforms, check object orientation and pivot alignment, then insert a multiply divide with -1 or reorder connections as needed. This fixes sign and axis issues without rebuilding the whole rig.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.